Oh shit!
Damn!
I don't know what the.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be gaming it with my dad, Jay, and Johnny. No Dom today. He's busy. So, yes, let's get on with it.
Oh yeah, a little bit of motivational music.
Hell yeah.
Start flowing. Johnny, behind you.
Onside, Jay.
Oh, damn
Oh,
it.
fuck!
Oh, somebody got me. Oh, get him.
Oh! Thought I got you, dude.
Got his ass.
You've got a loadout drop inbound. Enemy protection. Take cover. Neutralized.
Oh, your shit's still there.
Oh shit.
Oh!
Get to the new safe zone.
This is turning into a hell of a fucking firefight.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Fuck, there's no ammo again.
Loadout drop on the way.
Okay, go back to the roof. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit.
Go for him. I'm getting back to the roof.
Patch it up.
Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location.
Checking next door real quick.
Oh, fuck! Fuck, we're behind you guys, we're behind you guys!
Oh, damn, this guy's up here. Hi.
Closing in.
You can run for it.
Oh yeah, a bunch of people landing on it, Jay.
Hostile dropping into the area.
There's fucking camping in here. Fucking camper, little
I
bitch.
wasn't fucking camping like you, bitch! Oh, fuck.
No, don't let-
We got something better. Your wits.
We got family.
Something better. We got family. Oh my god, that guy's gun's so cracked. It's a laser
Oh,
beam.
you fucking bastard. Oh, I almost did.
That gun's a laser beam, Jay. That gun's a laser beam. Careful.
Guy almost beat me. Guy beat me.
That guy is beaming me. Dang, he's so cracked.
Fuck!
There's so much food.
That guy's so cracked.
Data entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment.
I've never seen someone play any better than that guy right there. That guy's crazy good.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Hope he. I wonder if he's got a Twitch so I can watch him. I said I hope that guy that kills that crack, he's got a Twitch so I can watch him.
Oh, aw.
Oh, I'm going in. I'm gonna be called super cracked.
Oh my god, you caught the train.
Man,
Yeah.
guys.
I can't do the list.
Johnny lost it the last time when I told him. So, what's up, guys? We gotta do this real good. This is for Dom. We need to do this for Dom.
I guess Dom's so
He's
cracked.
the best player. He's the best player. He's the best I've ever seen. Let this.
He's so good at
That's
this
why-
game. It's crazy.
That's why I opened a Twitch account. That's why it's really cool. He probably has all kinds of money.
I heard that thing probably impressed the ladies. You open up a Twitch account.
It's all the chicks.
Dude, I lost it when Jay was talking like that. That was so fucking funny.
When you first hear it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Jay's all,
covered you.
thanks, that guy, he beams me, I thought, what? So that's how dog sounds.
Just what?
Let's jump
I'm not
back.
coming back, guys. I lost. He beams me.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, damn.
Oh, that's fucking stupid, dude. Basic question ever.
You guys know what? What killed the dinosaurs? The Ice Age. Talk like Arnold with the list. Commands! You guys gotta follow me!
That fucking would be Arnold.
Commands! Commands!
That's
Follow
Arnold with
me!
braces. That's Arnold with braces.
Kula slappen! Kula slappen!
If Arnold Schwarzenegger was a nerd.
While you wait,
You know why they call me Spitty? Cause I spit all over the competition.
feel free to give them that as well.
Guy's got a nice black helicopter. I like it. Hey lass, I'll piss you back. Watch. Oh shit!
Damn.
I don't know what the fuck that happened. See that, Casey? It was a perfect landing. Nothing in the way. Nothing in the way, and it fucking blows up on me still. And no one shot it neither. I came back and I went to go revive Casey over there, and I land the helicopter, I jump out, and it just randomly explodes. And it says I killed myself.
Really?
Oh man.
Literally, if Casey watched the whole thing. I literally just landed it, I hopped out at the perfect spot, and then it fucking blows up on me for no reason. The helicopter had full health and everything.
Damn, dude.
Fucking stupid, I swear.
He's just laughing.
Yeah, dude, 'cause she saw the whole thing. It was fucking stupid.
Dude, you just have to fucking see it, dude. It was nice and calm. He goes down.
Yeah. Bunch of room. It was perfect. No one was there. No one shot at me. Birds were chirping.
You fucking got up the fucking helicopter, and now you see it.
Good time.
You're just making me laugh now, Casey.
That shit was funny, dude. Oh, damn. I didn't expect it to explode.
No, it didn't. It's one of those fucking moments. If I was filming, that'd be a blooper.
I am filming, dude. I am so happy I got
Okay.
it on film.
That's awesome.
Blooper. Shit. Oh, man.